If you're looking to invest in new vinyl replacement windows in Wood Buffalo, you might have a few questions. While vinyl windows are often an excellent investment for any home, offering outstanding energy efficiency, curb appeal, and home value, there are a few common problems you might run into with them. The first is the type of vinyl replacement windows you choose. In the world of vinyl windows, you get what you pay for. While cheaper products might be an easier investment in the short term, vinyl windows aren't a great place to go budget. Budget vinyl windows are much more prone to warping, cracking, breaking, and loses in energy efficiency. So it's often not worth it in the long term. Another way you might try to save money is through DIY installation. But even the most DIY-savvy homeowners can easily mess up vinyl replacement windows. A few problems you might encounter are with the window seal, uneven or mismatched windows, damaging windows during the installation, or even injury due to improper equipment and experience. If you aren't keen on DIYing your windows, it can be tempting to hire a contractor who offers the lowest prices around. But you'll often feel the low-quality results from a budget contractor quickly. That's why it's always recommended to do research to find a reputable contractor for the job. If your research has led you here, we invite you to contact GreenFox Windows and Doors today to get a free quote for your replacement windows.